Hey, have you ever considered, like, are you investing in a wrong way? Or am I investing in a wrong way in the stock market? Or maybe whatever, maybe the financial instrument you are selecting, right? Now, if you have this question, today I am going to burst the myth about the investing in stock market. This is one of the most interesting topic and many people they don't understand this. Okay, now in order to make you easy in understanding whether you're investing in wrongly or stock market is a biggest myth, let me decode one by one, right? So today I'll be discussing about five myths investing in stock market. Please pay a lot of attention, understand properly, and make notes wherever possible, right? With that, let me start. And also, before going ahead, I want you to please make thorough notes. And before investing in whatever may be the stock market or wherever you are investing, please consult your financial advisor for the better investment vehicles, right? And please do not consider this as a tip or something like that. I'm not giving any calls or tips investing in stock market. This is purely educational base, and I'm going to burst about the five myths in investing stock market. Hi there, this is Kuldeep Peregoda. I'm a serial entrepreneur and founder of Blitz Wealthy Hub. So today I'll be discussing about the myths of investing in stock market. With that, let me just start. Now, are you investing wrong? The biggest stock market myths busted, right? I have got a couple of questions to ask before going ahead. So let me see who all can give me the right answer. Have you ever heard like the stock market is just gambling, or you need a lot of money to start the stock market, like lakhs of rupees, at least 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs to start investing in stock market? Or maybe you yourself believe that investing is in stock market or wherever is only for financial experts, right? Now, if you have any of these questions or if you have any other questions, you can put those in the comment box, right? And please stay till the end. I will blow your mind with one of the most happening stuff in today's era. Stay tuned. Now, let me start the myths one by one. Please make notes and also subscribe to this particular channel. If you are new to this particular channel, hit the bell icon and forward this video to as many people as possible, because someone who can just make fortune by watching this particular video, I'll get the blessings, right? Of course, you will also get the blessings. With that, let me start the myths. Now, the myth number one is investing in stocks is like gambling. If you think like investing in stocks is like gambling, just give a second thought. I have a quote here. See, the stock market seems unpredictable. One day it's up and the other day it is completely down. It feels like gambling, right? What do you think? Do you feel like it is a gambling? Of course, it is not gambling. See, gambling is based on pure luck, whereas investing, that too the company with proper strategy, research, and portfolio allocation, that is called as proper investing science. You need to understand the market, you need to study the fundamentals of the company, you need to then have put your investment and have patience. Once you do that, investment is going to start multiplying, that is for sure, right? That is the reality check. Now, example of real investors. Now, think of Rakesh Jinjulwara or Warren Buffett. Do you think that they just took shortcut? They invested and overnight they became rich? No. See, Warren Buffett and Rakesh Jinjulwala, they are stalwarts. They built their wealth not by gambling. They just invested in the strong business. They found the fundamentals of the business. They did thorough research and patiently they had waited for years together. Only then they could build this kind of wealth, right? So that is the important point. Now, the key takeaway here is the stock market rewards knowledge and patience, not luck. If you just invest and say that, oh, I'm lucky, I'll make money, fortune. No, it is not going to happen like that. You need to have a proper knowledge and then patience. With these two, definitely you can achieve a lot of money in stock market. Stock market is only place where It will give you money like anything. Trust me on this. With that, the second myth is you need a lot of money to start investing, whether it is stock market, whether it is mutual fund, systematic investment, whatever it is. Let me just burst this myth. Okay, if you think that is the way, see, how many times have you heard someone saying like, I will start investing once I have more money? When is that more money is gonna come? It will never come unless and until you put whatever the money you have in your hand, put that in the market, make money and start growing that money. That is how it should be. Not that I will once I get. See, once I get is never going to get, isn't it? Now, the truth is you don't need lakhs of rupees. You just need proper discipline with whatever the money you can afford to put. 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees, 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 25,000 rupees. If you can afford 1 lakh rupees, absolutely fine. Just start and have proper discipline in place. Let me see who is going to stop you from becoming a millionaire. Example, see, if you invest just 5,000 rupees per month in a mutual fund or a systematic investment plan or whatever it is for 10 years and consider compounded average annual growth rate of about 12%, CAGR of 12%, you will easily make 11 to 12 lakh rupees. Simple calculations. Just you can try it out this. Every month 5,000. Somehow you first invest this 5,000, start investing this 5,000. Okay. Now, once again, please consult your financial advisor before investing. That's the disclaimer, right? Now, the key takeaway here is start small, stay consistent enough, and your money will grow. Trust me on this. Start small and stay consistent. Don't just withdraw in between or don't just give up. Keep investing. That discipline, once you develop that, it turns into a habit, and that habit is going to make you rich. Not overnight, over a period of time, for sure. With that, the third myth is timing the market is the key to success. How many of you think like timing the market is the key to success? Right? Most of the people, they think this. I have to time the market. Let me just explain this, right? This is one of the most painful story. Many people, they had invested, and in 2008, you all know that, right? Lehman Brothers crashed, all that happened. But there was a big market crash and stuff like that. When that happened, people panicked to the core and they just started offloading. They just started selling their stocks, whatever the portfolio they were holding, everything, they just sold it off. And they never ever came back to this market, right? But the people who held their stocks for the next 1 decade, they doubled, tripled their money, right? That's what 10x over the 1 decade. The money growth was like almost 10x. Can you imagine that? Now, the truth is, timing the market is nearly impossible. No one can, even for the financial experts or even Warren Buffett or Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, the late Rakesh Jhunjhunwala sir, they cannot predict the market. It is unpredictable. Only thing is strong fundamentals, strong analysis, research, that is going to help you. See, example, if you take an investor who had put rupees 1 lakh in Nifty 50 in 2003, easily he would have made almost 25 to 30 lakh rupees by 2023, 20 years. Easily 1 lakh 20 years back, if you had invested, just it would have become 30 to 35 lakh rupees today. I'm just giving a very mere example, right? Now, the key takeaway is instead of waiting for the perfect time to invest, just start investing today, right? Even if you are investing 100 rupees, 500 rupees, absolutely fine, but start investing. When you learn to start investing and when you stay consistent and disciplined, that is where you make money. Most of the people, especially the Indians, they don't understand this. They think that I want to make money immediately, I want to become rich. No, it is not going to happen like that. Always remember the power of compounding. Power of compounding happens slowly, gradually. And once it starts, the money starts growing at an exponential rate. This is for sure. With that, the fourth myth is high return means a good investment. Do you think like high return means I should like good investment? Let me just understand. Let me understand you this. See, there is a quick question again here. If a stock market gave 100% return, last year, should you buy the same stock today? Or should you invest in the same sector or whatever it is? Right? Let's understand. I have a story called as great story. One of my client, Arjun, see, he saw a small cap stock doubling in a few months. I think 4.5 months, it got doubled. Whatever he had invested, like if you had invested 50,000, it got doubled by 1 lakh rupees. Okay. He thought, this is it. I will make fortune. He thought, like, I'm lucky. I will make fortune now. And he bought one particular stock at a very high peak. And within just 6 months' time, the market or that particular sector crashed to almost 80%. Now, whatever he had invested, at the two he had invested at a peak level, everything is gone. Right? So, don't always be on a greedy side. You need to have the lesson is a high return in the past doesn't mean that it will give the same return in the future. Right? So always company's fundamentals. You need to study the company's fundamentals. Fundamental analysis is the key. Example, one more example. Yes Bank. Take it for this. Yes Bank. Okay. This is not a tip. So please make sure this is only for educational purpose. See, Yes Bank was once trading at 400 rupees. And many people, many big investors also invested in Yes Bank. Right? Moment when Raza got arrested, everything started crashing. Today it is around merely 20 rupees per stock. That is the fate. So whatever it had performed in the past, there is no rule that it will perform in the future unless and until you make proper fundamental analysis and then investing in that particular stock or whatever. The key takeaway here is always check the fundamentals before investing, not the past result or past performance. I hope you understood. With that, the final myth is stock market is only for experts. Only for experts like Kuldeep, or only for experts like who are into finance and stuff like that. Nothing like that. Anyone can just start. See, think you need a financial expert to invest. Let me introduce to one of my friend, right? Her name is Bindu. She's a very hard-working single lady. She has got 2 kids. She didn't know a single thing about investing stock market or investing in stock and stuff like that. But based on my suggestion, this was 10-12 years back, I told her to invest in index fund. 10 years back, she had just invested 10 lakh, 1 lakh rupees or something like that. Today, her portfolio is like 35 to 40 lakh rupees. Today, her portfolio. Whenever I call her, first thing she tells me that, Kuldeep, so much thank you for your advice. If I had not invested that whatever the 1 lakh during that time, today I would have not grown. That is the beauty of investing. Right? Now, simple investing options for beginners. Okay? Once again, see, index funds and exchange traded funds. These are like invest in Nifty 50 or S&P 500 effort. Easily you can just afford. S&P 500 is again US market. Nifty 50, if you are in India, you can just start with Nifty 50 or Nifty 500 blue chip companies or stuff like that. Even mutual funds. Mutual funds are managed by professionals. So you need not have to put single effort, zero efforts. Just invest in mutual funds or systematic investment plan. Money will start growing. Blue chip stocks like Reliance, this is not reliable. Yeah, reliable, stable companies like TCS, Reliance, HDFC, Infosys, all these companies you can easily invest. Now, disclaimer here, consult your financial advisor before investing. This is not a tip. It is just for educational purpose. Please mind this, right? So these were the 5 myths about investing in stock market or mutual fund or systematic investment plan. Right time is to invest now, right? Don't think that my time will come, I will get more money, then I'll invest. No, this is the right time. Start investing right now. If you want this particular mind note, I'll give you that link for the description. You can just download it and keep it aside wherever you want to keep it aside, right? And watch it and start it today itself. So final conclusion, I have got 2 things. One is final advice. My final personal advice is, see, the stock market is not gambling, right? You need And you don't need lakhs of rupees to investing. Even in 5,000 rupees you can start it. High return doesn't mean how you'll risk or low risk or something like that. And investing is for everyone. Everyone should start investing. That is where India will grow, you will grow, everyone will grow along with you. This is my final advice, personal advice. Start investing right now. I have got a special offer. And if you want to learn how to build wealth the right way, investing in stock, investing in mutual fund, investing in insurance, investing in ETFs, whatever it is, join my 21-day financial health challenge, where I will decode and I'll teach you how to invest with a simple, easy mathematical calculations. It is not a no-brainer class or something like that. It will be a 21-day everyday morning. As of now, the first batch is going extremely good, and the slots are open for second batch. Link for the same is given in the description. Also, this is the link, www.kuldeep.es/21. You can join this particular session or this challenge and make yourself rich. I hope this video was useful. This is Kuldeep Iregodu signing off until we meet again. Thank you. Have a great time. Bye-bye.